Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So buying an S&P 500 investments on Trade Republic is one of the most popular ways for European investors to gain exposure to hundreds of leading US companies through a single investment. Instead of buying individual stocks, you can purchase an S&P 500 ETF and manage everything directly from the Trade Republic app. Trade Republic allows investing in ETFs starting from as little as €1 and supports recurring savings plans. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to buy S&P 500 on Trade Republic in 2025. Simple and effective. So first thing, open a Trade Republic account. So if you don't already have an account, create a Trade Republic investment account to complete identity verification, personal information, account setup. Once approved, you will gain access to Trade Republic's investing platform. Okay, so first thing you have to do is you have to deposit funds. Okay, so tap cash, select deposit and transfer money from your bank account, and then wait for the funds to appear in your account. So before investing, transfer money into your Trade Republic account. Okay, so as you can see here in the steps, common methods include bank transfer, linked bank account deposit. So wait until your funds become available. Okay, so available cash is required before investing. Okay, so then after that, search for an S&P 500 ETF. So as you can see here, so use the search feature. Common S&P ETF options include iShares, Core, S&P 500, UCITS, EFT, okay, Vanguard, SPDR. Okay, so Trade Republic offers access to a large ETF selection, including many S&P 500 tracking funds. Okay, so after that, open the ETF details page. Okay, and confirm ticker symbol, exchange, fund type. Make sure you are selecting the correct ETF before investing, and that's it, guys. So after that, enter your investment amount and confirm the purchase. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next tutorial.